Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make egg grilled sandwich, only way. Coat each bread slice with butter on one side, beat 2 eggs with salt and pepper, and preheat a skillet to medium heat. Place buttered side down, pour egg on top, add cheese if desired, fold or top with second slice, and grill until golden and set. Now serve hot and enjoy the crisp, gooey bite. Start by beating 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper, and mix in a splash of milk for creaminess. Heat a skillet to medium and melt butter so it sizzles gently. Dip bread in egg or pour egg onto bread and pan, then add cheese and herbs. Press lightly with a spatula and flip when golden, cooking until both sides are crisp and the egg is set perfectly. Quick recommendation: if you're spending time in the car after grabbing ingredients, subscribe and like if this recipe is helping you. I love Little Tree's black ice for keeping drives fresh between shopping trips. It smells clean and lasts a long time. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can snag one easily. Thanks for supporting the channel, and now let's get back to the video. Use sharp cheddar or American cheese for classic melt, and choose fillings like sliced tomato, cooked bacon, or spinach for freshness. For a crunch, spread mustard or mayo and sprinkle herbs or chili flakes for heat. Reduce butter slightly for less fat or use olive oil for a lighter crisp. Serve with pickles or hot sauce on the side, and let the sandwich rest 1 minute before cutting to keep fillings intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.